Monday edition of the Data Roundtable. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you're good and safe in your part of the world. Let me adjust the camera here just a little. How are you? What's going on today? What are you doing today to get yourself better at data science? What are you doing today to improve? Let me know about it. This is the place for it. This is where I walk in with no agenda. We just talk and see how everybody's doing, what you're up to, what are you working on, what's concerning you, what's exciting you. If you're a data professional, you work with data in some capacity, this is the place for you, for us to come together and say hello and have chats and have different opinions. I guess I haven't had enough of my coffee. I got my coffee here, but I haven't really drank a lot of it. But I couldn't say opinions for some reason. So the whole point is for us to get together, listen, speak, get feedback, give feedback. That's the whole purpose of the Data Roundtable. So let me know that you're out there. Let me know how you're doing. If you're watching this on replay, I stream every day at this same time, approximately 1500 GMT. So whatever time it is in your time zone, you can pretty much find me here every day. I take a couple breaks every now and then. And then after I finish my stream here, I move over to Instagram and I stream over on Instagram. So you can also find me there in case you miss me. But the whole point is for us to get together and just say hello and be a team, right? And that's something that's really important, because one of the things that I think a lot of people don't understand a lot is how much solo work is involved in data science. You're not always going to have a team. You're not always going to have a technical manager. You're not always going to have somebody to give you feedback. People are going to be looking to you for the answers, and you have nobody else to ask or rely on, or double check your work, right? And that can be scary. It can be scary to be deploying a model or whatever and have nobody to double check you, or just to kind of give you a second set of eyes, right? And obviously nobody wants a micromanager or things like that, but to have nobody to ask or to kind of, just kind of give you some feedback, it's kind of scary, right? So that's why I put some of these roundtables together, because I think it's important for us to come together and ask questions and get other people's perspective, right? Science is not always cut and dry. Science does not always have very clear, distinct answers on how to proceed, things to change, things to modify, things to reinforce. Those answers aren't always clear, right? So that's why these roundtables are something that I enjoy doing, because that way we can come together, bounce things off each other as a community, and hopefully we'll all benefit from that. So let me know that you're out there. Let me know what you're up to. What are you reading? What are you excited about? What was the last AI tool you used? Did it live up to the hype? Did it let you down? Whatever you want to talk about, I'm here for it. So yeah, let me know what you guys are up to. As I said, once I finish up here, I also move over to Instagram. And I really enjoy the differences between the two audiences. Here on YouTube, we tend to have more sophisticated conversations, or more elevated conversations, I guess you could say. We've had some great conversations this week. Whereas on Instagram, we tend to talk more about jobs and projects and resumes, and maybe a little bit more frustrations over on Instagram, and that's okay. But if you do want to join, I think that there is differences between the two audiences, even though it's still me, it's still the same account, right? Same topic. But that's how broad and diverse the topic of data science is, right? That there are so many different aspects to it, right? So that's what I'm here for. If you want to let me know that you're out there, you want to talk, you have a question, I'm here for it. So yeah, let me know how you're doing. Hopefully you're having a pretty good Sunday. My Sunday got off to a little bit of a later start than I usually do, but I also slept really well last night. Slept really good last night. So yeah, I got up, took my dog to the dog park, got my coffee. Now I'm back here, had my shower, shaved my goatee a little bit, and I'm ready for the day. So ready and excited to see where the day takes me. All right, everybody. So I think I'm going to hop over to Instagram. So feel free to join me in the future. 1500 GMT, you can find me right here. But until then, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you guys tomorrow.